Dino No Nice Crafts! Hello everyone! Today I'm with my mom and today we are going to learn how to make these beautiful origami roses. Actually, I had to learn how to make these for my school's breast cancer shops. And well, I made this in school and I bought it because we're not allowed to keep them. Of course, to raise money. So today, I am going to show you how to make these for yourself. They are really beautiful. Okay, first you'll need a square piece of paper of any color you want. And well, I'm using like metric paper, but I gotta cut the end off, which is really annoying, people. So yeah, you've got your square piece of paper. So first you gotta you have to, let me tilt the camera down. You take this, you fold it down the side. Yeah, you fold it down the side. Don't do it horizontally. So yeah, you fold it like this. Okay, so you fold it like this. And you gotta fold it the other way on the same side of the paper. So you should get this sort of square grid thing, and then on the other side you should have a diagonal fold like this and a diagonal fold like this. So now you've got this strange grid pattern, and here comes the hard part. Take the inside of the edges, or whatever you want to call them. You pull them inside and flatten it so you get this perfect little four flapped thingamajiggy. And then so once you got this, fold all four of these little corners up to the top corner like this. And do that for all four of them. So once you're done folding all four of them, if you did it correctly, you should be left with a square. Oh, and that's my mom. Hello. Yeah. Oh, and she said something to me before I filmed the video. Please like and subscribe to Dino No Nice Crafts. Okay. So yeah, you should get something like this on the inside, something like this on the outside. And now you just gotta put your finger inside and just kind of squash it so you get a mini square inside the square of squares. Like something like this. So you take the end, you put your finger in it. Apologies, I put my that finger inside, and you squish it till you get a perfect little square. I'll do that for the other sides. So now you should be left with something looking like this. And now you take the inside corner and fold it out. So you get this. And yes, do them for all four. One here. And on one side, it should look something like this. Now for the other side. After that, you will notice that there is a cute little middle flap that's kind of sus. So you pull it up. Okay. Do that for both sides. Great, now you fold it up. What do I do next? Now you go in between and you kind of open it up. And you take the front bit and fold it up until you get this diamond shape. And again, another sussy flap, so you pull that up too, until you get something looking like a diamond. Do that for the other side. 1, 2, 3. Yippee, now you've got a diamond. And here comes the hard part that I struggled with at school. You take the little middle parts, you kind of like open it up until it's a nice little square. And after that, you gotta like put in this ninja star pattern. Well, that's how I do it. My other classmates don't really do it like that. And then you kind of like, it's a bit squishy. I'm using card paper instead of origami paper. You gotta like really twist the inside of it. Twist it to perfection. And you're done. Thank you for watching, people. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell to know when I post a new video. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.